Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by using an administrator account, Open Services, MSC, and locate Windows Update and Bits. Stop both services immediately to halt downloads and patches. Once stopped, set their startup type to disabled so they do not restart after reboot. While here, open Task Scheduler and disable update-related tasks under Microsoft/Windows/Update Orchestrator and Windows Update. This prevents automatic triggers. Make sure to note each change so you can reverse them later if needed. Next, you modify system policies to stop the update mechanism from running. Open gpedit, MSC, and set Configure Automatic Updates to disabled, then apply. If group policy is unavailable, edit registry keys under HKLM/software/Microsoft/Windows/Windows Update to add no auto update =1 and disable Windows Update access =1. After that, block Windows Update domains and endpoints by adding entries to the host's file or creating outbound firewall rules, which prevents contact with update. Finish by rebooting and verifying the Windows Update service stays disabled and no download activity occurs. Use Services, Task Scheduler, and Settings Update and Security to confirm status. Run www/detectno only if testing. If updates resume, recheck for domain policies, management tools like Intune, or third-party software that resets settings. As a troubleshooting tip, if a managed policy overrides you, inspect registry and local group policy precedents, and temporarily remove the device from management or work with the administrator to apply persistent exclusions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.